My profound gratitude goes to Almighty Allah for making the whole thing possible in our favor. And I'm thankful for the judiciary for standing firm to ensure justice is delivered from the tribunal to the Supreme Court. And to my hard-working and dedicated team of lawyers ranging from the team leader, Barrister Didi Dodo, SN, and his team, Mahmoud Magaji and his team, and the lawyers that represented the PDP, Raji, Ahmed, and that of the INEC. Above all, to my people in the state that have stood firm with me throughout this trial time. I'm grateful for them. And to my entire well-wishers across the country. This victory will only spur us more to do better for our state. We will continue to ensure that only the best is delivered to our people. And I call on every citizen of the state to join me in building the greater Adamawa state.
Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Thanks for checking out SYMFONI on YouTube. Please be sure to subscribe and like our videos for updates.